Hey, it's Josh. Welcome back. Today I have another RC car from DEERC, and this is a 1:6 scale. It has sound. It has a very cool looking Jeep here, and I'm going to put it together. We're going to give maybe a little test run here on the carpet, but I'm going to give this to my nephew, who is I think he's turning 8 or 9, and I know he's just going to absolutely love this. But let's see what's in the box. Check out the size of these monster wheels that this thing comes with. So there is assembly required because it is so large. It's going to be amazing when we get this thing together. So let's check that out. There's the 4 wheels. Here is the body and the chassis. So that's that. We have the remote control, very basic remote control. It's going to take 2, I think AA, or I think it's AA batteries. We have the rechargeable battery, which I've already gone ahead and charged. So I'm going to set those over out to the side. We have some more installation components here that are going to go together, which we'll put it together very quickly. Won't spend too much time showing that process. Very detailed user manual on first-time use, as well as how to put it together. So we're going to check that out. And then these are kind of the side, you can see the shocks and everything else on there. So these are going to go on each side. And then we have the Jeep body itself. And there is a little hookup in here because the lights are going to work once we get it together. So I'm going to go ahead and put it together, and we will check it out after that. So let's go ahead and get through this process real quick. Two double A's. Let's try it out on the floor. So we don't have a lot of room to run it right here, but you can see the lights come on when it runs. The steering is a little tight. It'll be great for outdoors though.